Today we're talking about how you can get your very own spa-like experience right in the comfort of your own home. We're going to talk about the best mask that I've ever used and some other pampering products that really get me ready for a brand new work week. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around. We're about to get right into it. Hi, I'm Mona. This is About Face with Mona. This is a channel geared towards everything for the mature woman, beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. Today is Sunday afternoon. It's kind of dreary outside. We're battling the effects of Tropical Storm Beta that's really going to hit Texas, but we're on the east side, so we're getting all the rain. So it's been kind of gloomy. I think most of you would probably admit that 2020 has been one heck of a year. Between COVID, between a lot of other things, it's been an off year, it's been a crazy year. This is the fourth tropical system that's actually affected Louisiana in some way in the same year. That's unusual. And work, well, I so love my job. It has really been filled with pressure lately. Sometimes, I've talked to you about the fact that I do have anxiety from time to time. Sometimes it's good just to relax. And I don't like to have to go out to do that. So you're catching me at home in my PJs, just out of the shower. And I usually do this on Sundays, some kind of masking right before I end my day. So I saw this Foreo UFO device on the Octoly network, and I asked Foreo if they would please send it to me. And I really didn't think they would, because I thought that they'd reserve something like this for one of the bigger channels, but they said yes. And friends, this is an indulgence, but oh my gosh, this is the best, most relaxing masking system I've ever used. So of course I picked pale pink because that is my favorite color of all. The device is so pretty. It comes with this little attachment that holds your mask in. Foreo is a brand from Sweden. And they make their own masks, which I am going to use those, but also when I run out of these, I'm just going to take my favorite mask, which may be more affordable, cut it, and place it in here. Let's talk about this a little bit. In fact, let's get right into it. You download the Foreo For You app on your phone. You don't have to do that, but it's kind of cool. Oh, there's me and hubby in the cowboy hat. So you see, you can just download your little app. So what it's going to do, it's going to let me pair my device. So I'm going to hit the start button, which is going to tell me to turn mine on. Hold the power button for 5 seconds, and as soon as I do that, it lights up. So this has infrared therapy, cryotherapy, or heat therapy, so you can choose whether you want it hot or whether you want it cold. Depending on what type of mask you're using, you can actually scan your barcode on the mask and choose the mask that you want. Because this is the end of my day, I'm using the Foreo Call It a Night mask, which is revitalizing, nourishing, has ginseng and olive oil, hyaluronic acid, all kinds of good hydrating things for your skin. So I'm going to tell it to start. And it says scan the mask barcode to begin treatment. So I'm just going to take this little box or the mask and I'm going to scan it. When I do that, it already knows what mask I'm using. So it tells me to secure my mask. I just love this. I love it. I love it. I'm so thankful that I got the opportunity to use this and enjoy it. These are totally saturated in active ingredients. So they look like this. I don't know if you can see, I have my candle going in the background. I have Cozy Cashmere by Bath & Body Works. It's just such a nice, comforting fragrance. Perfect for a spa treatment. So I'm going to take the little ring. I'm going to put it on top of the mask to secure it in place. The other thing about this is that it only takes 90 seconds. So on my phone, now that I've secured the little mask, I'm going to press the start button. And you can see it's heating up red. because this type of mask is going to, I don't know if the red's coming through on the camera, this type of mask is going to work better with the heat. So this is going to drive it in through pulsations, cause the active ingredients to really penetrate. So this is the red LED in thermotherapy plus the T-sonic pulsations that are making this mask more able to penetrate my skin. And the heat is so relaxing, and you're just circling it around. It doesn't burn, it doesn't hurt, it's not too hot. You don't feel anything except a nice, relaxing feeling. And it's quick. I mean, you're talking about 1.5 minutes. Most masks take about 20 minutes. This is not the case with this. So women all over the world use masks. And I think most of us, there are exceptions, but most of us love masking. I think it's the ultimate in pampering. But when you can combine that pampering with actual legitimate skin benefits, then you're really getting the best of both worlds. These face masks will make my face smoother and more hydrated, and it makes it more radiant. This UFO by Foreo only lasts 90 seconds. You can repeat the treatment a second time because the masks are always still wet, so I usually like to do it twice in a row. But even if I hit it twice and I do it twice, it's still time saving, because instead of like 20 minutes, it's taking me 90 seconds to 2.5 minutes. And you're getting better absorption. I like to use it on my décolleté when I do the second cycle. It instantly infuses the serum into the deepest parts of your skin because of the LED and because of the sonic pulsations. And it does have the 3 different LED lights, red, green, and blue, which provide an opportunity to rejuvenate your skin. Okay, you also can use cryotherapy, which is the cold therapy, if you prefer that as well. Anyway, that's it. My face is moist and hydrated. It feels so luxurious. All you have to do when you're finished this is you just take the little ring off, you dispose of your little mask, you rinse this off, it's completely waterproof, and you save it for the next day. And you can use the Make My Day Hydrating and Anti-Pollution Hyaluronic and Red Algae Mask, which is wonderful. I like to start my day with that. I've been using these quite a bit since I got the device. Or the Foreo Call It a Night one, which I just used. And there are so many others to choose from, but you can also just take your own mask to save money, get your most affordable sheet mask, and maximize the benefits by using it with a device like this. Now we're going to talk about the second part of pampering. I did get these in PR too, so I want to say thank you. I say PR, I got them from the company Fresh, but I requested them on the Octoly store. I use that store to request things that I want to review because I either like the brand, have used the brand before, or have been very curious about the brand. And I don't think any home pampering treatment is complete unless you are pampering your lips as well. So I like all of the things that I got from them, but my favorite is the Sugar Lip Wonder Drops. Now a lot of times we've used a sugar scrub, right? But you always have to wash that off after. Look at these. The line Fresh is completely clean and natural also. So you just take one of these little syringes, take a few of these drops. There's no granules in these. They're completely smooth. So they moisturize, they get rid of your lip wrinkles, and they get your lips ready for either bed. And I like to use this right before I apply my lip products when I'm doing my makeup, because it smooths out the lines, it plumps out my lips, and it prepares them for my lipstick to look really good on my lips, my aging lips. So this is Advanced Therapy, Retexturizer, and Smoothing Gel. I just put that on. Maybe I'm picking up a slightly vanilla fragrance, I don't know. There's no really strong detectable fragrance, and there's no detectable taste. There's no texture to this, but it is retexturizing your lips. The other thing is that there's no minty feeling. So some people want to moisturize their lips, but they really don't want like a fruity kind of taste. Or they don't want the lip granules if they're getting ready to put on their makeup and they're not in a position to like wash that off. And a lot of people don't like mint. So to me, this is perfect. I'm gonna put the links and all the information in the description below. These are not affiliated. I don't get any benefit if you purchase them. I'm just sharing this with you because I think this is the ultimate in pampering. Now they also have the sugar mint rush for those of you who do like mint. This says that it gives you 24-hour hydration, and I really, really enjoy this one. I'm a person who actually likes mint. I always get these upside down on camera. See, it's pale green. There's no color that goes on your lip. It's clear. And you can top it over the moisture drops. This does give you a cooling feel, and it's very extremely hydrating. And it stays on for a long time. I can drink my coffee. It even stays on for a good while under a mask. It has pretty good staying power. Now the last thing I want to show you is not for getting ready for bed, but this kind of goes with getting your lips ready. This is a Sugar Velvet Formula by Fresh. I enjoy these pigmented balms by many brands. This one has SPF 15, which makes it even nicer. This is a darker color. I wanted this one, and I'm going to show it to you with a look later on when I'm doing a video on fall makeup looks. But to me, this is the perfect fall lip color. You don't need a liner. It goes on, it's hydrating, it's got the SPF 15. Zoom in a little bit. Gives you a pretty good amount of pigment. Stays moisturizing. Comes in a lot of different shades. I just think this is a really good pampering formula for your lips. I prefer these to lipsticks, pigmented balms, pigmented glosses. This is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorite brands. This is one of my favorite formulas. For giving your lips a nice boost of color and hydration and that added SPF 15. So I've had skin cancer and I've had lots of pre-skin cancers to get rid of, and I'm very conscious of making sure that I always have some kind of SPF on my lips. So to be able to use something that also has color is definitely a bonus, and this feels so good on your lips. I have never had skin cancer on my lip yet, but my dad did before he passed away. And he had a big chunk of basal cell carcinoma cut off of his lip, and it really disfigured his face. And I've already had some disfiguring on my face due to skin cancer removal, so I'd rather not have to have it on my lips as well. So that's it, guys and gals. I am going to go let my hair dry. I'm going to finish the rest of my relaxation for this evening before I have to hit another week. I hope that you are all doing well and that you're taking time to pamper yourself a little bit too. This is a perfect way to close out your Sunday. Till next time, go out and live like Mel.